Face Undies.
Now that you cut out your pattern, there we have it, we're ready to go. You're going to measure 21.5 centimeters for your elastics. And you cut 2 of those, and here we are. So we get the main fabric there, inside out, and we sew along the edge. Same with the lining. And open them up. With that, you're going to sew across the top. And there, that is where the nose goes. You see that V? That's the top. Open them up, place it with your lining. And you're going to sew along the sides here. You do a snippy snip there if you want. Open that up, stitch across the top. There we are, you'll be able to see where the nose piece is there. And then flip over the lining, stitch the other side, and then turn it in the other way around. Stitch across the top, that side, and then do the other side there. If you have an overlocker, you can overlock the edges. If you don't, you can simply sew that instead. If you have an overlocker, you sew down the overlocked pieces so they're out of the way. Then we're going to get the elastic, fold it over itself, a centimetre, sew it together, and once you have them, place it on the edge, fold your material over, and you're going to sew that down. We do the other side. And now we need to catch the edge there by the elastic. And then what you do is you pull your elastic through a little bit and you'll see the material bunches up. Same with the other side. Face Undies.